Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Volvo XC40 T3 Inscription. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 161 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 23 and this is a one-owner vehicle having covered just over 43,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volvo. As you can see, the black metallic paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As you go look inside, you've got the nice typical build quality of Volvo, so everything feels really solid. The seats are electric and leather, really comfy as well. And there's an armrest there in the centre, plus two cup holders for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got the large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has the digital cockpit, which I think looks really smart, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and your full window controls. The XC40 is a great car for the family, so good wide door opening there, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example, lots of legroom and headroom. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and then also rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as nets in the back of the front seats. And as we open the tailgate, which is electric, you've got the good sized boot there, goes back quite a way, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then practicality, you've got lots of storage underneath the boot floor as well, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.